Well, Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu is not just my constituent, he is my constituent. He was my leader and quite close to me. A relationship that started from my father, and we have lost our foremost politician, our foremost leader in the Southeast, a detribalized Nigerian, an astute businessman, a consummate politician. This is somebody that has made giant strides in different spheres of endeavor. In the media, you can say he was a media mogul. In sports, he was a sports lover, and he had his own football team, the Iwuanyanwu National, where a lot of the players trained. He was in the forefront of achieving the Imo Airport project. So this is a man that has contributed so much, both in the academia. He had offered a lot of scholarships for people, even in the United States, different countries of the world. In the religious sphere, this is a man that single-handedly contributed to building a lot of churches, not just in the Southeast, across the country. So we'll miss him dearly, we'll miss him sorely, and we can only pray. But I will say to you that Aheja Agamba lives, with all he has done, with all his contributions. You see, the thing about life is, it is not about how long you live. God also gave him the benefit of longevity. He died at 82, but he contributed immensely within the period of time he lived. He touched lives. He lived his life for his people. He served God and served humanity. So he will always be remembered. And that is why I say to you that he lives on. So I want to give my condolences to his family, to the people of Ikeduru, to the government and the people of Imo State, and Nigerians at large.
Finally, Professor, the Southeast Development Commission bill that has been accepted, how encouraged are you, and do you see it as a response